Now, as you can tell, both sides of this board are not flat. Compared to this flat piece, our board has a lot of gaps on the bottom. So what we need to do is run it across these blades 2 to 4 times, just to get that edge flat. I'll push the on button, which spins those blades really fast. Now, all the tools in the shop, you need to hold down and tight against the fence. Okay, both of those. So none of this loosey-goosey stuff. Okay, down firm, up tight against the fence. We're going to only joint one side smooth. Okay, the other side we're gonna rip off on the table saw. If we are gluing though, we do want to joint both sides so that way they can stick together flush. Look at these two boards that don't have a square edge. If you tried to glue them together, there'd be some huge air pockets and it doesn't have anything to latch onto or grab. Plus it just looks ugly if you put it on your project like this. So what you want to have instead are 2 square edges. That way when you put them together, they actually fit really well and tight up against each other. I also don't like joining more than about 5 times because you're gonna start taking away a bunch of that width on your wood. So if you try to glue up 2 boards that are 6 inches each, but you've jointed it more than 5 times, you're probably gonna end up with a lot less than 6 inches per board. And if you have something really hairy, what you can do is rip it right on the table saw. So that way you've got 2 square edges without having to joint this over and over and over again. So when I look at a board, deciding which side should I joint, this one or this one, I'm always gonna take the easier one. Okay, so this guy is pretty flat versus this guy has quite the smiley to it, right? A lot of rough edges. So I'm gonna try joining this side first. My last safety tip is this. If you have to straighten something out on the joiner, make sure to use a push stick, okay? Don't put your fingers right next to that blade. They'll turn into hamburger meat real quick. Same idea, down and tight against the fence, all the way through.